Hello, Mr. Wonderful here, as usual. Welcome to the Madhouse. This is an 1861 New Brunswick, Canadian provinces, 1 cent. And this is another one of Ian's coins. That's amazing, eh? 1861. That's the year I was born. March the 8th, 1861. Right. Trouble is, this coin is very, very thin. It's thinner than a thin thing. Thinner than a thin thing. You say that 10 times fast. So there's a chance this might split. I hope it doesn't, because I like it. I like all my coins though. I only make coin rings out of the coins I like. That's funny, isn't it? I like all coins. I like money. Well, it's not money, it's currency. This stuff is not money, it's currency. Gold and silver are money. These bits of paper you call money. It's not money, it's currency. Right. So, yep, we need to slap it on the bottom then. Yeah, I hope this doesn't split. Thanks again, Ian, for your coins. I think I've got one or two left somewhere. I'll have to look for them. I don't know where they are. Right. I mean, I can easily miss them, you know. There wasn't many of them, was there? I mean, after all. You're going to send me a few more. Right, this is Christy Burr. And this cleans out the... this cleans up the edge. So, we're going to warm it up. I mean, this is thin. I'd say this is thin. This is as thin as one of the old UK pennies. You know, the 1800s UK old pennies. Right, I'll stop the video now because I want to let this cool down by itself. Okay, we're back. That's cooled down nicely. It took about 4 or 5 minutes. And I think... yeah, this is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. Oh look, there's the doming block again. Aren't we lucky to have the doming block out again? And as for you, Beer, that was quite upsetting, that chant you sang, you know. I was quite upset. How'd it go? Swedish rap, Swedish rap, Swedish rap. Swedish rap, Swedish rap, Swedish rap. Yep. Oh. Fair play to you. Right. That's enough of the Swedish rap. So now we want to find... oh yeah, that'll fit in there, I think, just nicely. Little bit of jollop, I think. Where's the jollop? There it is. This is just coconut oil. Nothing special. We'll go over. It's a big red again. And we'll fold it. Now this is where some of them other coins that Ian sent me split. I don't know if it's the age. And one split here and one split on the spike. Well, so far that went so good. Let's get Sandy. or Sandy's sister. I'll make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. That looks pretty sexy. So let's go over to the one and only Mr. Spike. Bit of kitchen roll. I don't think I'm going to make this too big because I don't want to push me luck. But we've got to open it, we've got to close it up enough to get that bow out of it. And this is like copper. And you can always tell when it splits, it just goes, you're pushing it and all of a sudden the pressure goes. Oops, a daisy. There you go. Damn. It's split. I'll tell you what, this is going to take me quite a while. But I'm going to try and sand this down. I mean, it's going to take some sanding, but let's give it a go. So I'll come back if I can get this sorted out. Right, this is what I've got so far. It's still split. But I'm just sanding it down. It's going to be a narrow band. Hopefully I can save it. I've got a lot more to... So I'll be back. Well, I've been filing this and sandpapering this for about 10 minutes. And it's still a bit there, so I'm breaking out the big guns. This is a file. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm still filing. Oh look, there's a little bit there still. God, this is getting thinner and thinner. Looking for any copper dust? There's some here. I sell it by the gram. Still there. Right, I think this ain't going to work. I'll keep going though. Okay, there's not much left of this coin ring at the moment. But there you go, I think. We're there. Is that where it was? Yeah, I think there's a bit of a shadow there at the crack. So, I want to carry on. I'll carry on a bit more and I'll be back. Right, how's it looking? Oh, look, there's still... God almighty. I should have thrown this one away. But now I've started. Let's finish. Keep going. It's got to come out sooner or later, surely. Or there won't be any bloody coin left at all. I can't feel it. But I can see it, and that's enough. Right, okay, I'll keep going. I'll be back in a minute or two. Okay, I think. Let's finish off with Sandy. This is the superfine paper. It ain't that super fine, is it? 120. But in my eyes, it's super fine. It's still a little mark there. But I think I'm going to risk it. Otherwise, there'll be nothing left of this coin. There's not much left of it now compared to where it was. Right, okay. Let's go over to the bottom end of spike. See the... all we've got there is a bit of a cone shaped. So, let's see if we can turn it into a ring. Or should I have thrown it away and saved myself 20 minutes sanding? Well, so far so good. What have we got here? Anything? Nope. What about here? Nope. There we go. There is a little bit there. I'm trying to push my luck. I'd like to find one a little bit. Well, I'd say this one will do the job. Yeah, that ain't too bad. Please don't break. The walls are getting straighter. It's exciting, isn't it? Gary and beer. I bet you're sat on the edge of your sofa. Gary's on his 8th cup of coffee by now, I think. And Bear's thinking, when will this end? Good God, when will this end? Right, that's had enough of that. So we'll go over to our other one. There's a bit there we can use. I hope this doesn't end up pear-shaped. Well, there you have it. This is a small ring for a small finger. I think there's a bit of a shadow somewhere. Right, let's clean it up. What we got? Once you clean it up, this will tell us if we got there or not. Let's put in Felton John. A little bit of polish would be nice. Yeah, it's a tiny ring now. Right, what we got? Well, that took some time. Like I didn't film it all. You've all been looking for the nearest piece of rope. If you didn't get that, check out the movie Airplane. Right. I watched a good movie last night. Beer? Predator versus Alien. Top movie. I mean, very good. Not as good as the originals, but still a bloody good movie. I'll have to clean the inside a bit more. I have to get a smaller... But here we go. This is what we got. Have we still got the date anywhere? No, that's a shame. That is a shame. But this was 1861. It was the right pick to do. I shouldn't have done. I shouldn't have bothered going all that way. Oh look, there's a little bit of a. There's a bit of a shadow there. This ain't for sale. I couldn't sell this. Oh, even on the inside there's a. It's not cracked, but it's a. You can see it's like a slight dent or something. But there you go. I'll give it my best. I suppose the beginning of this could go in my bloopers videos I'm putting together. So thanks for watching. And there's a little button down there. Going to show me a bit of support. Hit it. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. And have a great week. And I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.